What a beautiful car. That beautiful gold in the sunlight. Looks brand new. It's my '83 Ford Ltd Crown Victoria. $55,000 original miles. No rust. Beautiful gold flake. Electronic ignition. Nice tint on the windshield. Nice little crown. Top is just in perfect condition. Took the car on a 130-mile drive today to go do some visiting. It has performed flawlessly. This is the first time I've taken it out when it hasn't been hooked to a car since I've owned it, or really longer than that, like 20-mile drive we took it on in the last video. Beautiful day for it. It hasn't snowed in the past couple of weeks. We've gotten rain, so all the salt's been washed off the road. Holding great oil pressure, and it is keeping up perfectly with traffic, and it's performing like a brand new car. As you can hear, it is quite quiet on the inside, just a little bit of wind noise, but that's normal. You'd have that in any other car. So yeah, I like this little area. We have this huge American flag. Driving a beautiful old 83 Ford Ltd Crown Victoria with that nice hood emblem and big American flag. So subscribe for more videos and follow along to keep up on my other projects in this car. I don't plan on taking this one out again for quite a while. It was just a nice day to take it out, and I just wanted to take it out and have a nice day with it. So, thanks for watching.